Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope all of you are well with your family. Today is our second class on the universe. Today we are going to learn three new topics. Our first topic is motions of earth. Second topic is day and night, and third one is the season. What is orbit? The path that Earth and other planets move around the Sun is known as orbit. So if this is Sun and this one is Earth, the Earth moves around the Sun on this path. So this path will be known as orbit. Now the second point, revolution. What is revolution? The orbital motion of the Earth around the Sun is known as revolution. So the path is known as orbit. So this is known as orbit. And the motion Earth moves around the Sun is known as revolution. So the motion will be known as revolution. Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one trip around the Sun. Now we are going to learn about rotation. When Earth revolves around the Sun, it also spins on its own axis. This spinning motion is known as rotation. So the definition will be the spinning motion of the Earth on its axis is known as rotation. Earth takes almost 23 hours 56 more minutes to rotate on its own axis. Our next topic is axis. What is axis? The imaginary line through the center of an object is known as axis. So if this is our planet Earth and this line goes through the center of the planet and this is known as now our axis. Next topic is day and night. Earth's rotation causes day and night. When Earth rotates on its own axis, one side of the Earth facing towards the Sun and the other side of the Earth is not facing the Sun. So we can tell that one side of the Earth is facing the Sun is known as day and the other side of the Earth is not facing the Sun is known as night. This is Sun and this is Earth. Sunlight falls on this part of the Earth. So here is daytime. And in this part of the Earth, no sunlight falls on this part. So here is nighttime. Now we will talk about sunrise and sunset. The sun seems rising in the morning in the east and then it sets in the west as the day ends. So we can tell that when sun rises from the east, we call it sunrise, and the sun sets in the west and we call it now our last topic. Our last topic is season change. We have 6 seasons. These are summer, rainy, autumn, late autumn, winter and spring. Earth's season change due to its revolution motion. Now we will talk about season change. The Earth revolves around the Sun, so different parts of the Earth tilt towards or away from the Sun. Now in summer, northern hemisphere tilt towards the Sun. So sunlight directly falls on the northern hemisphere and this is the main reason of rising temperature in the northern hemisphere. And it also causes long daytime in northern hemisphere. And in winter season, northern hemisphere tilts away from the sun. This is sun, this is northern hemisphere, and northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. So sunlight hits the part of the earth less directly. The temperature is lower and the period of daytime will be shorter. In this way, season changes. This is the end of our today's lecture.